In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off and vacation requests in ClickUp. We'll set up a clear, reusable system so requests are easy to submit, track, and approve, all in one place. This walkthrough uses ClickUp's built-in templates to save time and create a consistent workflow. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to add templates. If you're unsure about permissions, check with your workspace admin before you start. Next, navigate to the space where you want to manage time off. A space is a top-level area in ClickUp that organizes work by department or team. Pick the space that makes the most sense for your process, maybe HR, operations, or the specific team that will be requesting time off. Choosing the right space up front keeps everything organized and ensures the template and its views live exactly where your team works. Now, open the Templates area. You can access templates from the sidebar or the top toolbar, depending on your layout. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the sidebar or using the search bar to find templates. Templates are a great shortcut. They give you a proven structure so you don't have to build fields, statuses, and views from scratch. In the Templates panel, search for the word time. Look for options like time off, vacation requests, or similar. Click into a few results to preview what's included. Pick the template that best matches your team's needs, then give it a clear name, something like Time Off Requests 2026 or Company Vacation Requests works well. Consistent naming makes it easy to find later and reduces confusion. Before applying it, make the adjustments you want to the template's display. Customize statuses so your workflow is obvious. Common choices are requested, in review, approved, and declined. Add or edit custom fields like start date, end date, type of leave, and notes. If you route approvals to a specific person, set a default assignee or add watchers so the right people are notified. Consider adding a short description at the top with submission guidelines, such as how far in advance to request time off. Set up the views you'll rely on every day. A list view with columns for dates and status makes updates quick. A calendar view helps you spot overlaps and team coverage. A board view by status is handy for at-a-glance approvals. Sort by start date and use filters to hide completed or past requests for a cleaner look. Apply the template to your space. Test with a sample request to confirm everything works, and you're ready to manage time off smoothly in ClickUp.